So this is new package from Samsung. Let's open it. Let's open this package. What do we have? What do we have? Let's tear it. Let's tear it. Whoa. Nice package. Nice package. So this says the new Galaxy Watch Ultra. Let us open it and see what's inside. So tear it like this and this. Let's see. What do we have? So this looks like the watch itself. What else is there in the package? Looks like the strap. What's that? Wow. Looks decent. Looks good. The quality is awesome. Okay. Alright, let us see the watch out of the box. How does it look? Okay, there's one more. Let me open this. Nice. Nice. Okay, let's see firsthand. Let's see. Are you ready? Whoa. Wow. So this is the beauty. So what's the fuss? Should we turn it on? Let's see. Let's see first around. Let's look at what all is here. What all is here? Nice, nice. The buttons, the back. So we have some stickers. Okay, I'll remove it later. So let's turn it on. How does it turn it on? Let's see. And this is also clicky. Nice. Buttons are very clicky. Oh, do I need to read the manual to turn it on? No, Samsung. Come on. That's weird. That's why they say you need to read the manual. Okay, let me first check it out. Okay, so now we are back. It's booting up. Apparently you have to press the buttons, both the buttons, for some time. So let us see. Nice display. So let me attach the bands and then see how it looks. Let us see the bands. Let us open the bands. So while it's booting up, okay, looks like I need to set it up. So let me set up the band and come back. Guys, I thought let's set up the band on camera so that people can know how it needs to be set up. So it's as simple as you just connect it, hold it, and then just a gentle push. That's all. It fits in. There's a click sound to it. The other side. Similarly, just a simple push, snugly fit. Whoa, so this is the watch. Nice. So we need to go back, up, down. So let me quickly put my hand and see how does it look. So let's see the size. Whoa, okay, decent enough. I'll configure the watch and come back and then show you guys what's inside. But by the look of it, the watch really looks nice, nicely built. Straps are nice, sturdy, good enough indications. Though it's not a dial, it's not a standard Samsung dial. It doesn't rotate, but the screen quality is really awesome. It's nice, crispy, clear, and the haptics is really awesome. The haptic and all the sensors, look at the amount of sensors they have. Nice, nice. So nice. So I'll configure and come back. Thank you. Okay guys, I'm finally back with setting up this piece of hardware. Man, I didn't know that it will take 15 to 20 minutes to set up this watch. Samsung would download a Watch 7 manager, which is 150 MB. Then there are so many settings that you have to go through. Next, and after 15 minutes, this is what you will see. So let us take a quick tour. What is there? So this is nice. Swipe down, then go back. This is a cool watch face. Next, let's see, next, swipe up from the bottom, you see the apps. Swipe down, see next, notifications. Oh man, tap. Next. Whoa, tiles. Nice. So let us see. Okay. Press the home key. Oh, so this is the home key. So watch face. Nice animation. So to the okay. Now what? So let us see what's there. Whoa, so this is, you see, a compass where it's facing. Nice animation. So by the looks of it, it looks pretty good. So let us see, what do you have? Oh, so it's a quick click to go to your shortcuts. So let's to go back, then I saw top. Okay, nice. You can make a call as well from this. What else is there? Messages. So let us see what else is there. What else? Nice. Heart rate, everything. Weather. Okay, cool. So let's go back to home. See once again. What's there in App Store? Wallet style. So yeah guys, I think you can play with it, but overall this is a nice piece of hardware. The only pain is to do the initial setup. It took 15 minutes. The sensors are good. I've heard good things about the watch. Hardware looks nice. So shortcut looks nice. So I think you can set these watches also. So they seems like Samsung has launched a specific software called Galaxy Watch 7 Manager to take care of this watch. And yeah, so it's already mapped to my Airtel plan. So apparently it has an eSIM, so you can configure this to extend your plan which is there in your mobile, and you can make calls using this watch. It has GPS, everything inbuilt. So let us see. So my previous watch was with me for almost 5-6 years, so I'm going to definitely test it out. One thing is, I really doubt how these straps will hold up for very strenuous exercises where your hand will sweat like crazy. I would definitely need a guard for this thing, the main watch, that I would have to definitely buy an extra. Looks like, oh, very nice, it has an ECG feature. I'll test out everything. I'll keep you guys posted how it is with a long, maybe after 2 weeks or so, how it has been holding up, how is the battery life. And there's this charger also in the back. Looks like a pretty standard charger, nothing great about it. So yeah, it's a USB-C end to it. Let us see how it will be. So I am into active sports, so I will really test it out. So let's see how it will go. But these bands, I really doubt they will hold up in long run. I would have to definitely change them into something rugged, if at all anything is there. Anyways, that's it. Any questions, please let me know. I'll be happy to answer. Thank you so much.